Our forefathers, they instituted CARICOM for the business people of the region, for us to do business among ourselves. Leaders of the regional countries, they know each other by first name. The larger business, they have the wherewithal to get around and to do business. We think that it's high time for the small players in the region to get to know each other, to come together and to forge a path for ourselves along with the regional governments to get business among ourselves booming and going. We have the commitment of 3 prime ministers as well already to be there.
Yes.
Out of this conference, we'll be able to have the small business operators from around the region coming together, knowing each other, doing business among ourselves. SBAJ, when we conceptualized this program, we went to the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, MICAF, and we have immediate buy-in. They are supporting us. Jamaica National has come on board as the title sponsor. Caribbean Development Bank has come on board with a sizable grant. Regional persons are more enthusiastic about this because the term that uses is God-sent, is God-given. We are in business to make money. If it were for pretty looks, I wouldn't be here. So this will enable you to do better business for your enterprise. So together, each achieve more. There are markets out there. You might not have individually that level of resources to do that marketing promo. We are giving you that opportunity. So buy it up and come to the conference. Meet the people who will cause that to happen. Because we are looking on trading, financing, and policy, as I've said earlier. One of our greatest challenges around the region is the low level of lending that takes place. You can't propel an economy in a meaningful way when there's no facility to facilitate your endeavor. So we are looking on creative ways, and as a part of that, I must tell you that Stock Exchange, Jamaica Stock Exchange, is on board as a partner too. JBDC, JAMPRO. Just a couple of months ago, we have signed an MOU, SBAJ, with the Stock Exchange, because a part of this forward thrust is to get at least 30 of our small and medium enterprise up to competitiveness, or international competitiveness. And we see utilizing the expertise of the Stock Exchange and even up to IPO as a part of that to get them to scale up and to move forward. Intensive 3 days in Montego Bay with regional players.